was a very good man. His soul and his spirit is now with the Lord.
Why did he have to die?
May he rest in peace.
He was a soul.
What God will have to Basta payo Kuya May! Sa heart! As ng maniyara!
Basta maklaman ng mga Friedman!
Ano berapa teman mo? Ang may beruman yo. Wasa.
Yung skip bakla yung
Yung Ya ada oi video lah dekat belai ayo mesti break mana. Aku nak langkah kau break kat man.
Nah, ako ay doon lang siya madamdahan at siya.
Dah ada cai. Aku nak langkah kau break kat dayung man.